Hi guys! So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make a YouTube appeal video, how to create a YouTube appeal video, or how to make an appeal video for YouTube reused content. This is going to be an interesting one, so stay to the end. I will talk you through the appeal process for rejected monetization. I will also show you the exact video I used in my appeal, and that was a complete success, and my monetization was reinstated the very next day. So it could either be that you applied for your first time monetization and your application was rejected. You could use this appeal process. Or also, if you have already been monetized and for some reason you got demonetized and you need to make another appeal to get your monetization back, this video could still be used. The appeal process is the same. In this case, my channel was demonetized for reused content, so I had to make an appeal. Okay, so let's get into it. So if you go into your YouTube Studio channel dashboard at studio.youtube.com and then click on the Earn button, then on your screen you'll either be faced with your channel wasn't accepted for monetization if it's your first time application and you got rejected, or if you were demonetized, it would say your channel is no longer eligible to monetize. So let's follow the example I have here, is the one that was no longer eligible to monetize. It says, what happened? After reviewing your channel, we found that it doesn't follow YouTube's monetization policies. Review our feedback. We have found that your channel contains the following: reused content. Channel uses someone else's content without making changes that add significant value. And if you click on the down arrow, it shows more information. It shows the do's and don'ts of reused content. I have done another video on my channel that goes into detail about the do's and don'ts of reused content, so I'll link that in my comment section below. I won't go over those again in this video because I don't want this video to be too long. So if you check that video out, the link is in my comment section after this one. Under what you should do next, option 1, it says appeal by sending a video. If you think that we made a mistake, send a video telling us why. We'll review your appeal and get back to you with a decision within 14 days. Only choose this option if you haven't deleted any videos since your channel was suspended from monetization, or if the other example is, or since your channel's application was rejected. Those are the two types. Then it has a date that you must submit your appeal by. Next, if you click on Start Appeal, it tells you exactly what you need to put in your video. If you follow the guide exact to the T, you will not be rejected by God's grace. So it says, number 1, create a video for your appeal. To help make sure that our team can review your video, follow these guidelines. Film your video in a supported language. Keep your video under 5 minutes. Show or mention your channel's URL within the first 30 seconds of the video. Mention the reviewer's feedback and tell us why it's a mistake. Talk about your whole channel, not just the videos that follow our policy. Provide visual examples of how you create videos, including how you film and edit them. Then it says, to address this feedback, explain how you come up with ideas for your videos. Show your production, including any scripts, special editing techniques, or narratives. Then it gives a submit date for your appeal by when you have to submit it by. Then it says, after creating a video for your appeal, upload it to your channel as unlisted, then paste the video URL below, then press submit. I will come back and show you that part later.